countries, if construction site dust exceeds limits for just 30 seconds, fines can reach up to 50,000 euros. Construction dust isn't just a health issue, but most construction sites are still cutting boards the traditional way. Golden Power's difference start at the design stage, turning on-site cutting from a necessity into a rare exception. You provide the drawing, we pre-cut at the factory. The whole batch arrives on site. Open the packaging, install directly. No cutting means no dust. Workers stay healthy and you avoid the risk of occupational health claims. No cutting means no noise. No complaints means no surprise inspections. No cutting means no waste. Panels arrives as finished products. We did the math, 90% less on on-site cutting, a quarter less waste, nearly 14 times faster completion. More importantly, fine risk? Zero. Behind this isn't just luck. It's Golden Power's design team, precision equipment, and experience from countless international projects.